Star attraction.
Shit.
Yo guys, what is up? Welcome to another brand new video. So if you're new here, make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn your notifications on to keep yourself up to date. Now I've ordered a delete kit. I've already had a look at it. It looks sick and the packaging has had a lot of effort. So what we're doing today is we're actually removing this rear wiper and we're getting rid of it. Crack it open and have a look at the contents inside. So this guy has sent out a kill all wiper sticker which will go next to the delete. Sent this out for free actually. I didn't even pay for this, so he sent out a air freshener, so thank you for that. And this is the delete kit. So it comes with instructions and this is the little delete that's going to be replacing the actual wiper. So we've got to take off the wiper, the motor, and that's going to go in there with the glue. So basically what we've got to do is, I believe, we've got to take off this whole bit to be able to actually take this wiper off. I know that this bit comes off. This bit comes off and there's like a little bolt, so if we just take that off, little bolt in there that we need to get out. You know, I've never done this before, so to be honest I'm just learning as I go. So somehow we got to take all of this under bit off. I've got no clue how that all works. Yeah, let's get to it. It's absolutely freezing right now, so we've got to make sure you have a couple of essential. So I got one of these toolkits. I don't even know where I got this from, but let's hope I've got the right tools to even get this apart. Look how messy my tools are. Like, you can tell that I don't do this sort of stuff. Look how messy my tools are. It's almost like you're in every video.
Star attraction.
Shit.
Definitely don't do that. I mean, I've got it off. So now that I've got that off, I need to take off all of that. And it looks like it's held by two nuts, which is one there, three nuts, one there, and one there. I'm also gonna have to plug up the cable for the water, so hopefully that won't be too hard. So, do you know what? It actually seems like, if you look closely, it seems like there's already been water damage, and this has actually stopped working as well, so that would make sense as to why it stopped working, because it looks like it's rusted and it had water damage. Wonder how the water got in there. Let's get this sorted and let's remove the last piece. Why do I keep dropping everything? Obviously I'm gonna have to plug this in up somehow, and I heard that common ways are normally to put a screw or like something in there and then plug it up. So guys, my next door neighbour was actually a lifesaver. He bought me some WD-40 and I'm really getting worried because this isn't actually coming off the actual wiper blade, which is really bad. That means I won't be able to get it off properly. So what I'll do is I'm going to spray some WD-40, hope that goes in there and kind of loosens it up.
Knockout. You win.
Have a look at how much rust and stuff there is in there, like dirt and everything. Just really struggling to get that out right now. Yo guys, this wiper is actually fucking welded on. I've literally took all the plastic around it. I'm trying to budge it through. All that's left now is the metal piece. Like, look at that, and it's fucking not coming off. Just look at that. That's all that's fucking left out of it. Look. and that metal piece is literally just not coming off. No matter what I do to it, just doesn't want to fucking budge.
But Ben has shit poppin', I mentioned the shit in this life, I'm offended. Fuck it, it's cool, yeah, I get it though. Give a fuck less about how they feel, that's my mood. My life been a tree, this shit looking vibrant. The pilot they know fly shot it. Now much to say about the product goddess. Go ahead and let them decide about me. State of mind that I've acquired. No question, my method can't check on me.
Oh my days, guys. This has just popped up. I've literally just been hammering this for the past fucking hour. It's finally come off. Look at this, which means I can take this shit off. Let's go. Oh, look at this. It is off. Fuck yes, finally. This fucking bastard was not coming off at all. You've got to make sure that this is free from any oil, dust or anything like that. This is the little plug that's going to be going in the hole. Is exactly how it's going to look, and this gravy will come off once all the sealant's on. So what I've actually got to do, so I'm going to pop the sealant open just like that, put the little end on. It's getting freezing, it's late as fuck as well. So I'm just going to put a load of the sealant all the way around this, and then I'm going to push it in back into the hole, put some tape on it. Okay, so now that is in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe the excess sealant off. This grey little strip will come off once the sealant is all done, because I have to seal the other side as well. I'm just going to press it in. What I'm actually going to do is get a little bit of tape it down, make sure it's all good, and it stays there. And it says that you have to leave it to dry up for an hour. So I'm just going to do this and leave that to dry for an hour. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to show you the result tomorrow. So yeah, when it's nice and light. So see you tomorrow. Yo guys, it is the next day. I've done the kill all wipers plug. Can't wait for you guys to see. It looks so much better, so sick. And I've also added a sticker to it now. So watch this.
Some personal time. Fuck all the pictures, dimensions. I don't what you did this. I mean it. I'm staying inside. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money. The pressure be calling. Left on my blessings. I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is.
Yo, so guys, look how much different that transforms the car. That cost me about £23, and the way it transforms the car, it looks so much better and just looks overall so much sportier. I don't know what you guys think about it. I absolutely love it. I would recommend it. I wish the sticker was a little bit bigger and more higher. Wish I would have put it more up here. But you know, it's a flush finish. It's way better than the ones that you get from eBay or Amazon. You know, this one's nice and flush, especially the sticker as well. Lighter tinted. I just can't wait to do more stuff to this car. If you would like to see any more stuff like this, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and let me know down below what you think I should do next, especially to the back end, because I like the way the front end looks. I think the back is a little bit plain, so I'd like to know what you guys think I should do. You know, I'm not a car expert, so comment down below. Peace.